debt and what is the expenditure at present she is incurring and what is the amount she is expecting from the court with regarding to maintain her life in the same standard of life that her husband. That and all we have stated in the assets and liability model. In a detail, it has been categorically.
Just she will not be given maintenance. Basing on what the husband is getting, and also other factor is what is her requirement? Husband must be having 10 crores of income because he's getting, court will grant 5 crores to her. No, it's about she has to tell what is her expenditure, what is her requirement that you didn't even tell before the court, except giving a big figure of so and so. There was no break. What was the breakup? Why? What is that she wants? Never. No, when I asked you to give before this court, if this expenditure that she gave before the court is simple reason and simple ground for this court to dismiss your application.
My lord, my humble submission before this honorable court. Kindly look the operative portion, my lord, wherein prior to it, the court has held. He has never stated affects certain liability, but he's made a submission that he keeps a cash box at house, wherein she makes use of that fund, wherein hence the court held that she is not supposed to be provided with any expenditure with regarding because she is already taking from the cash box. And for her personal income.
You understood when the court asked you, yes, though it was not given before the trial court, the court asked you for this to consider to grant some amount to her. After looking at all the expenditure what she has placed before the court feels that nothing.
My humble submission, my lord, this court may not order this much, my lord, to a reasonable amount, my lord.
Why should I do that exercise? Why should you tell all this? And why should I grant? Why should the court grant reasonable amount?
No, my lord. In order to show the actual picture, my lord.
Duty also. No, please don't tell the court that this is all a person requires. 6,16,300 per month. Does anybody spend this much? A single lady for herself? Oh, if she wants to spend, let her earn. Not on the husband.
Any nominal amount.
But I'm telling you, if this is, if you want an order from the court, I want the actual figures, not this lakhs of figures. Will not grant, or else I'll dismiss your application. Please tell your client, what is this? You have no other responsibility of the family. You don't have to take care of the children. You want for yourself. You say, I want 6,16,000. That's not the purport of Section 24. And it is not a punishment to the husband that if he is having a dispute with wife to grant 6,16,000. You should be reasonable in telling it. Not that I will tell some figure and the collective is for the court to give some amount or the other. There was no reason for the court to even ask you to file it. I thought if you give the figure and if the court understands what's the requirement, then we'll consider it. But not 6,16,300. A single lady without the responsibility of the kids, just to take them for a holiday, take them for a lunch. You require 6,16,000. At least how I'm really surprised how she could give all these headings. I think even in that Rajneesh versus Neha, nobody knows that these many headings will be available. Very strange. Final opportunity for you. Come up with a reasonable thing. Reasonable, I'm again telling you. If it is like this kind of a thing,